Uh, so today we are going to learn exercise 2.3 of second chapter, that is polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
So once again, I will recap the concept. So what things we have learned in 2.1 and 2.2. So we have learned what is polynomial. So what is polynomial? If px equals to in a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot 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 n x to the power n. Okay, where n belongs to whole number and ai belongs to real number. That kind of algebraic expression is called polynomial. And we learn degree of polynomial. We learn types of polynomials. That is types of polynomial. What we have learned? We have learned monomial, binomial, trinomial, then linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomials, and zeros of the polynomial. So what is zeros of the polynomial? If px be a polynomial, for any value of x, if we get px equals to 0, then that value of x is called zeros of the polynomial. So that much we have learned. Now we learn if we will divide two polynomials. Okay, like number. If we will divide, then what will happen? Suppose if we will divide 5 by 2, then 2 to 4. Then remainder we are getting 1. And here quotient is 2. 5 is dividend. 2 is divisor. Right? So in the same way, if we will divide two polynomial, then what you will get? So that division we'll learn here. Divide px by gx. So Akshara, before that we did this division in class 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In class 8 also we did this kind of division. So step how we'll divide two polynomials. Step 1. We write the dividend x plus 3x square minus 1 and the divisor 1 plus x in the standard form. Standard form means 3x square plus x minus 1 and divisor as x plus 1. So always we'll write highest power first. After that power will be in decreasing order. Is it clear? Power should be in decreasing order. That means here it was x plus 3x square minus 1. It is not standard form. Standard form means first 3x square, then x, then minus 1. Here 1 plus x. 1 plus x. This if you want to write in standard form, then x plus 1. First highest power, then it will be in decreasing order. Understood? Second concept. We divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Okay, so now if we divide, so like that, we'll write x plus 1 was the divisor, and what was the dividend? Our dividend was 3x square plus x minus 1. 3x square plus x minus 1. Now its first term, just check it. Divisor first term is x and dividend first term is 3x square. If you will divide in rough portions, right side you will draw rough. Now 3x square and x, if we will divide, then we know that if base same, then power will be subtracted according to law of exponent. So we'll get term of dividend and first term of divisor. If you'll divide, then we are getting 3x. Now first term of quotient will be 3x. Now you have to multiply this 3x with x. What will get? 3x squared. Then 3x multiplied by 1 is 3x. So this will be the first step, our first step. So step 2, we divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is, we divide 3x squared by x and get 3x. This gives us the first term of quotient of the first term of quotient, right? Now next, now step 3, we multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract this product from the dividend, and we multiply x plus 1 by 3x and subtract the product 3x square plus 3x from the dividend 3x square plus x minus 1. This gives the remainder as minus 2x minus 1. So 3x if we multiply, then we'll get 3x square. 3x into 1 is 3x. Then if we subtract these two polynomial, then sign will be changed. So here minus, here also minus. So we are getting minus 2x minus 1. Again same procedure. Now its first term is minus 2x. Its first term is, here we can observe minus 2x, and here we can observe x. Now if you divide minus 2x by x, then what you will get? Just check. So now we treat the remainder minus 2x minus 1 as the new dividend. The divisor remains the same. We repeat the step 2 to get the next term of the quotient, that we divide the first term minus 2x of the dividend by the first term x of the divisor and obtain minus 2. Thus minus 2 is the second term of the quotient. So I am showing once again, just try to understand what we have understood. So here it was x plus 1 and our dividend was 3x squared plus x, then minus 1, right? So minus 1. So first we got here 3x. Now 3x into x is 3x squared, and 3x into 1 is 3x. Now you will subtract. So here minus sign and here also minus sign. This will be cancelled. So minus 2x minus 1 we got. Again its first term, and its first term if we divide, then minus 2 you will get. Now multiply minus 2 with x, then minus 2x will get. Minus 2 if we multiply with 1, then minus 2 will get. Then again sign will be changed. Here plus sign, or here also plus sign, right? So what will get? Remainder will get 1. Understood? So remainder is plus 1. Like that if we divide, then plus 1 will get. Now see the complete division. So complete division is like that. Now if we verify 3x square plus x minus 1 equals to, here we got x plus 1 is divisor and quotient is 3x minus 2. If we multiply and if we add 1, then you will observe 3x square plus x minus 1 you will get. That means dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So it is actually long division method. Division again I'll show. Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
So once again just try to understand complete process. Divisor, we have taken x plus 1, 3x squared plus x minus 1. Now first what you have to do is first term. Dividend first term you will take 3x squared. Divisor first term you will take x. And if you will divide, then you will get 3x. Then 3x will be the first term of quotient. Then this first term you will multiply with both the term, then 3x squared plus 3x. Then after that you will subtract, here minus sign, here also minus sign. So this term will be cancelled. Minus 3 plus 1 how much? Minus 2x minus 1. Then its first term, again divide minus 2x and x cancel, then we are getting minus 2. So here we write minus 2, multiply minus 2 with x, then minus 2x, then minus 2 into 1, then minus 2. After that again if you subtract, then here plus sign, here plus sign, this will be cancelled, then remainder will get 1. But here this is very lengthy process. Here we got remainder, but in this exercise we learn remainder theorem. So what is remainder theorem? Try to understand. So according to remainder theorem, okay, let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1, and let A be any real number. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. Suppose Px equals to x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, now if you will divide Px by x minus, suppose Px is divided by x minus 1. Okay, so remainder what you will get? No need to divide. According to remainder theorem, remainder will be P1. So P1 means in place of x 1 you have to put, so 1 is square plus 2 into 1 plus 3. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we are getting remainder as 6. And by long division method also if you do, then also you will get remainder as what? You will get remainder as 6 only. Right? So understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naima understood? Okay, fine. Now, we'll start exercise. So now exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x plus pi, or 5 plus 2x. So answer 1, first question. So here you have to write let Px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now, if you are dividing x plus 1, so what will be the value of x? So here x plus 1 equals to 0. If you write, then x equals to how much? Minus 1. So remainder remainder equals to P minus 1. So understood this? Remainder will be P minus 1. Now P minus 1 means in place of X we have to write minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. And here plus minus is minus 3 plus 1. So we are getting minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So 3 or minus 3 cancel. Minus 1 and 1 cancel. So what we are getting? We are getting 0. So understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now x minus 1 by 2. So now a second question I'm showing to you. Now number 2. Answer 1, second answer. Again you will write, let px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So here we are dividing by x minus 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, you write. So x equals to 1 by 2. So remainder equals to P 1 by 2. So P 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Akshara, what is the value of 1 by 2 cube? What is the value of 1 by 2 cube?
So 1 by 8.
1 by 8 plus 3 into Akshaya 1 by 2 square.
So 1 by 4.
1 by 4. And if you multiply 3 and 1 by 2, we'll get 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So first term 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now take LCM, all are the fractional numbers. So 8 is the LCM. 1 plus 4 2 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 4 3 is 12, r plus 8. So we are getting 27 by 8 as a remainder. So if we will divide this polynomial by x minus 2, then we will observe we are getting remainder 27 by 8. So here long division method not required, because no need to use long division method. Okay. So I hope understood. Then third question, only x. Now I'm showing how we'll do third question. So answer 1, third part. Let Px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and you are dividing by what? X. That means x equals to 0. So remainder will be P0. Now P0 is here 0, second term also 0, third term also 0, 1. So remainder we are getting 1. This was very easy. And then answer 1/4. Let Px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So you are dividing by x plus what? Pi. So x plus pi equals to 0 you will write. So x equals to how much? Minus pi. So remainder equals to p minus pi. So in place of x, if we'll put minus pi, so minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So here minus pi cube, or here minus minus plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, Akshara, check answer. We can't do anything because pi is an irrational number. Okay, so like that only we have to keep. Just check the answer from backside.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct or not? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more questions are there. So one more questions is here. So that will do. Then question number 1 will be finished. Answer 1/5. Let Px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So we are dividing these by 5 plus 2x. So 5 plus 2x equals to 0. So we can write 2x equals to minus 5. So x equals to how much? Minus 5 by 2. So remainder equals to p minus 5 by 2. Understood? P minus 5 by 2. Now put the value of x minus 5 by 2 in every term. So minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Right? Okay, understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
Akshara, tell minus 5 by 2 whole cube how much? What is the value of minus 5 by 2 whole cube? It will be negative or positive?
6. Sir, positive.
How positive? Power
No,
is
no,
3.
negative. Sir, minus 625
Huh?
by.
625 how? 5 to the power 3.
Sir, 5 is 25.
25 5 j 125 only.
36. 125 by 8.
8. Okay, correct. Here plus or here minus. If we multiply, this will be minus. Then 5 3 j 15 by 2. Here also plus, here minus. Then it will be minus. Okay. No, here it should be square. Sorry. Here it is square, no? Minus 5 by 2 whole square. So 5 square is 25. So 25 3 is 75. 75 and in denominator it will be 4. So this is 4. So 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Now calculate this. What we are getting? What will be the LCM? 8 will be the LCM. Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 8 and 8 if will divide, then what will get? 125 minus 8 divided by 4, 2. 2 into 75, 150 minus 8 and 2 if we will divide 4. 4 into 15, 60 plus 8. Now all three terms are, no, sorry, here minus is square, so it will be plus. And it should be plus. You have not observed minus square will be plus. So here plus 75 by 4. So here we are getting plus 150. Okay. Now calculate it. What we are getting? 150 minus 125. How much? 25. 25 plus 8. 25 plus 8 how much? 33. And minus 60. So it will be negative, and 60 and 33 if we'll subtract, then we'll get 27. So minus 27 by 8. Aksara, quickly check answer.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So understood. So here plus minus you will not make mistake. Here if it is whole square power 2, then it will be plus only. Right? Okay. So I'm changing slide. So question number 1, all part we have done. Question number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Now, answer 2. Let px equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus a. And you are dividing this polynomial by x minus a. So you will write x minus a equals to 0. So x equals to a we are getting. So remainder will be according to remainder theorem. Remainder equals to, Aksara, according to remainder theorem, remainder will be what? P
E.
A.
A.
So in place of x, you will put what? A
A.
you will put. So a cube minus 3a square. Right? Correctly I have written. Just check it. X cube minus ax square. Sorry, here not 3, it is a. So correct it. It is a only. Ax square. Minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, correct. So here, in place of this will be a into a square. Now plus 6 in place of x a minus a. So what we are getting? A cube minus a into a square, how much? A cube plus 6a minus a. Now a cube and a cube cancel. Now 6a and a are like terms. 6a minus a will be 5a. Aksara, check quickly answer. Check answer.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Okay. So it was question number 2. And now third question. Check whether. Now answer 3. Check this is a factor of this or not. When we can say this is a factor, if remainder you will get 0. So let px equals to 3x cube plus 7x, and you are dividing this polynomial by 7 plus 3x. So write 0. So 3x, this 7 bring this side, so it will be minus 7. So x equals to minus 7 upon 3. Now find remainder. Remainder equals to 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Now 3 into, we are getting here minus 7 into 7 into 7, how much?
So 49.
7 into 7 into 7. 3 times 7 it will multiply. What do you get?
So 343.
340.
3.
And 3 into 3 into 3? 27.
27.
Are here also minus 49 by 3. Now cut by 3. This is 9. After that, take LCM. First of all, the 0 will not come. Clearly we can see. So it is not a factor. So 9 is the LCM, minus 343 minus. Now 9 if we divide by 3, then 3 will get multiply 49 by 3. Minus 147. Now add. Here 9 minus. If you add, then what we are getting? 7 plus 3, 10. 1. 5 are 4, 9. That means 490 by 9 we are getting, which is not equals to 0. Okay. Once again, check 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube 27. So these 3 and 27, if we cut here 9 and minus here 49 by 3. Take LCM 9. So minus 343 minus, if we multiply by 3. Yeah. Now if we add 7 plus 3, 10, 9, 4. So it is not equals to 0. So therefore, what you can say? Since it is not equals to 0, therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we have finished this exercise. So when you are doing exercise, only we have used remainder theorem. So what about division? Find the remainder obtained on dividing this by x plus 1. Now example number, I'm showing example number 8. So example number 8. So here long division, we have to find the remainder obtained by dividing px by x plus 1. Okay, if you will not use remainder theorem, then how you will find? So you have to divide to find the remainder. X plus 1 are here, x cube plus 1. What was the rule? Its first term if you divide, then what you will get? X square. So first term of quotient will be x square. Now multiply x square by x and x square by 1. So what will get? X cube or x square into 1. Like term together we have to write always. So x square outside we have to write. So here minus sign, here also minus sign. So minus x squared, first you have to write plus 1. Then again its first term if you will divide, that means minus x squared. And x if you will divide, then minus x you will get. So here you will get minus x. So if you will multiply minus x squared minus x separately you have to write. Then here plus sign, here also plus sign, cut it. So x plus 1 will get. Its first term if you will divide, then plus 1 will get. Then plus 1, multiply plus 1 with x and 1, then x plus 1 will get. So subtract, here minus sign, here also minus sign, cancel. So remainder we are getting 0. So what we will write? Remainder equals to 0. Okay, understood? By long division method if you will do, then you have to do like that. Okay. Now example 8 I have shown. Now example 7. Okay, this also I am showing. Divide the polynomial this by this. Only they are asking divide. They are not asking find the remainder. Find the remainder, then we can use remainder theorem. But if they will ask divide. So example 7. I'm showing this division, long division it is. X minus 1, 3 x to the power 4 minus 4 x cube minus 3x minus 1. 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1. You have to divide by x minus 1. So, Akshara, you will tell. Its first term and its first term if you will divide, then what will be the first term of quotient?
Sir,
What?
sir, it would be 3x cube.
Yeah. 3x cube multiply with x. 3x4. 3x cube multiply with minus 1 minus 3x cube. Now subtract. Sign will be changed. Here minus, here plus. Now cancel. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 no need to write. Sorry, here x cube, not square. So minus x cube. Then minus 3x. minus 1. Again, its first term. If we'll divide, then what you will get? Akshaya will tell. Akshaya.
Sir. Sir, x square.
Minus x cube and x if you will divide, x square you will get or minus x square you will get.
Sir, minus x square.
Minus x square. Now multiply minus x square. Minus x cube. Minus x square minus 1. How much? Plus x square. But we can't observe here plus x square. So we have to write outside. Plus x square. Now again subtract. Here plus sign. And here minus sign. Sign will be changed because you are subtracting. So these two terms will be cancelled. Highest power always we have to keep in front. Minus x square minus 3x minus 1. Now Akshara, minus x square and x if you will divide, what you will get?
Sir, minus x.
Minus x. Now multiply minus x with x, that is minus x square. Minus x into plus, minus 1, that is plus x. Now subtract. Here plus sign and here minus sign. So again these two will be cancelled. Now we are getting minus 4x minus 1. Now its first term and its first term. If you will divide, then what you will get? Akshaya will tell. Akshaya. Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. So we'll get minus 4x plus 4. Now again subtract, here plus sign, here minus sign. So these two cancel. What we are getting? Minus 5. Okay, so after dividing we are getting minus 5 as remainder. So here they are asking divide. So you write answer qx, that means quotient. We are getting 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4, and remainder we are getting, that means rx. Remainder we are getting minus 5. So in exam, if questions will be asked divide two polynomials, then you will show long division method. If in exam they will ask find the remainder, then no need to show long division method. We'll use factor theorem. Got my point? Akshara and Akshaya, understood
Yes,
both
sir.
of you? Okay.
Yes.
So I'll end this video here. I hope you understood 2.3.